수 있는 게 없으니까.
Crazy. See, that's why I want to inspect it first before I buy anything.
웬디야, 안녕하십니까 여러분. 저는 지금 원래 오늘 일을 했어야 되는 날인데 좀 급하게 데이오프를 내고 차량 정비소 가기 위해서 나왔습니다. 이게 어떻게 된 일이냐면 한 2주 정도 됐을 거예요. 지금 날씨가 계속 이제 춥다 보니까 도로에 그 눈이 얼어가지고 굉장히 울퉁불퉁하거든요. 근데 저희 동네 앞에도 그 얼음이 얼어가지고 구멍이 하나 있는데 그 구멍을 제가 밟고 지나갔어요. 모르고. 그 충격이 좀 생각보다 컸었거든요. 뭐 별일 없겠지 했는데 뭐 느낌상 그게 원인이었는지는 잘 모르겠지만 여튼 그 이후로 제 운전석 앞바퀴 쪽에 쇠가 서로 부딪히는 소리가 나더라고요. 그래서 처음에는 얼음이 껴서 소리가 나는 건가 했는데 아무리 생각해도 이거는 그 쇠끼리 부딪히는 소리고 또 이제 브레이크 패드가 다 닳아서 나는 소리일까 라는 생각도 했는데 브레이크를 밟을 때만 나는 게 아니라 그냥 주행을 시작할 때도 속도를 낼 때도 이 소리가 나더라고요. 그래서 왠지 이 브레이크 패드의 문제가 아닐 수도 있겠다라는 불안감이 들어가지고 서비스 센터를 가기 위해서 이제 좀 알아봤습니다. 브레이크 패드에 문제가 있는 거라면 그냥 갈면 되는 거면 사실 한 정비소에서 4,500 정도 나오는 것 같아요. 제가 여러 군데 이제 전화로 브레이크 패드랑 뭐 만약에 이제 필요하게 되면 로터까지 갈게 되면 얼마 정도 드느냐라고 했을 때 한 350에서 400 정도가 약간 그 부품 비용으로 받고 거기에 이제 뭐 1시간에서 1시간 반 정도의 인건비가 들어가서 한 4,500 정도 나온다고 하더라고요. 계속 이렇게 소리 내면서 끌고 다니기엔 좀 불안하고 아무래도 브레이크 관련된 곳이다 보니까 어느 이제 정비소가 제일 가성비 좋고 괜찮은지에 대한 수소문을 좀 했어요. 제가 근데 수소문을 했는데 클라이밍장에서 일하는 친구가 딜러샵에서 일하는데 자체적으로 그 서비스 센터가 있다고 해요. 거기 서비스 센터에 있어 일하는 친구에게 좀 부탁을 해놓을 테니 그 친구한테 한번 봐달라 요청을 해라 라고 해가지고 지금 그 친구의 퇴근 시간에 맞춰서 차를 끌고 가는 중입니다. Hello, can I get a regular size cafe latte? Can I have a French vanilla small too?
Yep.
And that'll be all. 지금 빈손으로 가기 좀 뭐해서 여기 근처에 팀홀튼이 있어가지고 테이크어웨이로 커피 한잔 사들고 가려 합니다. 근데 지금 방금 들으셨나요? 소리 장난 아니죠? 너무 시끄러워요. 근데 지금 차 안에 있으면 이렇게 시끄럽진 않은데 창문 열고 들었을 땐 와, 이 소리가 진짜 너무너무 거슬립니다. 지금 어떻게 보면 이 친구는 퇴근할 시간이 됐는데 5시에 퇴근하고 나서 지금 제 차를 좀 봐주는 걸로 알고 있어서 일단 최대한 문제가 심각하지 않기를 바라며 한번 연락을 해보겠습니다. 불안하면서도 당장 할 수 있는 게 없으니까. Hello. Hi, how's it going? Good, good. Nice to meet you, Wani.
Nice to meet you, Wani.
Okay.
Okay, I'll hop in.
Yeah? Okay. It makes a sound when I'm just driving like this.
Oh, that. Okay, go that way. And that's it, eh?
Yeah, that's it.
That's basically it? Okay, I think I know what it is. Okay, keep going.
Okay.
There might be a rock stuck in your rollers.
Oh, really?
It might be just a rock.
Okay.
I'm 100% sure it's probably just a rock. But
I have a French vanilla and a cafe latte.
okay, yeah, just pull up into there.
지금 저 친구가 방금 그냥 한 90% 안에 돌이 껴있을 수도 있겠다 로터 사이에 라고 하는데 제발 그랬으면 좋겠네요. Okay.
It's just a rock.
Rock.
Just a rock in your
Because the thing I was worried about the most was that when I was like driving, you know, the ice on the road, it makes it bumpy, and there was a big kind of hole on the road, and I stepped over it, and I was like, it was like -25, so I was thinking maybe that impact might have caused, you know, dislocating the parts or
Okay.
whatever.
Do you hear like any knocking noise?
Knocking noise?
Knocking noise?
No, not really.
It's just that. Right?
Yeah, just that.
That then that's because there should be just a rock.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, it's not very common, but that noise. Yeah, pretty sure there's something that's something that.
Okay, okay. But the thing is, like, it only makes a noise when I'm going like 10 or 20k.
Yeah.
But if I go high speed, like on the highway, nothing.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
Pretty much what it is.
Okay, okay.
I'm just gonna do a quick check in the suspension here.
Yeah.
Pretty good condition actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, the shock's good.
Good to hear that word from an expert.
You see how this is a boot. It's called a boot.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But on this side, it's all cracked out now. So
Oh.
in the future,
Yeah.
you're gonna have to replace this whole control arm.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that would cause clunking noise too. If water gets in there, it'll corrode or rust. Rust
Okay.
builds up, and it will eat that bushings there or whatever. And then in
Oh.
the future, it will just make some noise.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just keep an ear out in there. If it started like clunking,
Mm-hmm.
then that would be
The reason.
the reason why.
Okay.
See how all these ones are all good. Yeah. So this one is good. There's no clunk there. This one. Yeah. It's not happening. Just remove this wheel. Okay, just watch out for a
Yep.
sec. Just gonna drop it down here. So, where is that rock? There it is. There's the rock.
Oh. Okay.
And then, yeah, it's just a tiny rock.
Whoa. This was just in between this.
Yeah, it's in between that.
여기 사이에 껴 있었나 봐요. 여기서 이 돌이 나왔습니다.
We'll check. If there's any more in there. See any more rocks? Yeah, there's nothing more.
Okay.
Be fine. Yeah, your brakes are still okay.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
The
there's
condition
still-
is good?
Yeah, there's still lots of thread, or I mean pads
Okay.
left. So
Mhm.
you're okay.
Okay, that's a good news.
Okay, I'm just gonna check the
Yeah.
rest of the wheel too, just in case.
Okay. This little thing. So like
Yeah, little things
like
that.
on a slow speed, it's slow enough so that it goes around like around the wheel. But then when I go high speed, it just, you know,
Yeah.
gets kind of
Times when a customer just comes in here,
yeah.
there's like that squealing noise.
Oh.
They're like, oh yeah, there's a rock in there.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one's good. Just
Uh-huh.
gonna put this thing back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you work at the rock climbing?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Equipment?
Yeah. Have you been there?
I've been there before, yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay.
a long time ago when I was in high school, but
Oh okay.
yeah, and Pam, Mela, and Braden, you know Braden?
Yeah, yeah.
The guy that she's with.
Yeah.
They always wanted me to go with them. I'm like,
Oh really?
I play badminton. So
Oh yeah, you do?
I do. Yeah, we gotta play tonight.
Oh.
At 8 p.m. So
Oh really? Oh, dang. I'm sorry.
no, it's all good. I got lots of time. I got
Oh,
like 2
okay.
hours, so. Do you play badminton?
Yeah. My main sport before climbing was badminton.
Oh wow.
But then I just didn't like have enough room to bring my gears.
Oh,
So everything's back home. So I'm just climbing.
that's good. Yeah, there's no rocks in there,
Mm-hmm.
which is nice.
Oh man, I never imagined the rock could even go in
Oh,
there.
it's crazy. See, that's why I want to inspect it first before I buy anything.
Yeah,
Because if
right.
you buy the pads right away,
Uh-huh.
and then turns out it was just a rock, then
Oh man, I'm just so
oh yeah, I mean,
I'm just so glad.
what year is your car?
2009.
70. I would just go 75 foot-pounds. That's a bit low. 5. There you go. So basically, this is what holds your wheels together.
저를 오웬이란 친구에게 소개시켜준 팜이 아직도 일하고 있다고 해서
He's over there.
at the desk. Hello, Pam.
your thingy.
Yeah, I did. How are you?
Be on the vlog.
Oh my gosh. I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Oh, thank you so much, you guys.
That's all
It
good.
was this little bastard.
Yeah,
What's
that's the culprit.
What? That was it?
Yeah.
Just
That's-
a rock stuck in the
Break.
rollers.
Mm.
Oh, so it's all good. You don't have to change it or anything?
Hopefully nothing makes like it doesn't make any sound anymore. So, yeah, at least according to him, like brake pads are in
Okay.
good condition.
They're all good.
They're all good.
Yeah.
No need to change anything. No
I think
parts.
I
Yeah.
would say you still have about like 4 years,
Oh, that's
depending on
yeah,
how you drive.
yeah.
That's really good. That's so good. It was just a rock.
Yeah, that's the
I know.
That's so funny.
Just a rock.
Just like that one small, like
Right?
yeah.
It's crazy.
As soon as we drove it in here. Okay, yeah, I know what it is now.
Okay, well, good luck with your car.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So yeah, we'll drive it around.
Yeah.
Just park it there again.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hopefully, no noise.
You reverse. You should.
아무것도 안 들려요.
We don't hear it anymore.
No, no.
We'll hop into.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Just watch out for
Yeah.
that truck.
Yeah.
Nothing, eh?
Oh man. All right.
There you go.
Yeah. Take your coffee.
Oh yeah.
French vanilla. This one.
one's, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, eh?
Yeah. No worries.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, it was good seeing you, and thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And text me the
Yeah, for sure.
cost.
Don't worry, I won't charge.
자, 이제 잘 마치고 돌아왔습니다. 아무튼 지금 구구한테 보여주려고 가져왔는데 진짜 이 작은 돌멩이 하나 때문에 지금 돈을 몇십을 쓸 뻔했습니다. 네. 아무튼 이거 하나 빼는 걸로 잘 해결됐으니 참 다행이고요. 지금 집으로 오는 길에도 아무런 소리가 안 나요. 조용하게 왔습니다. 지인 찬스를 써가지고 이렇게 간단하게 해결을 했는데 아무튼 이번 영상 시청해주셔서 감사드리고 다음 영상에서 뵐게요. 차오.